think this is in focus. I want to go attack Jake from Vsauce, who just moved in across the street, but I don't know where Carmichael is, so I'm gonna go find him. Is Carmichael in here? I came looking for you.
Vsauce is at their office right now, right?
They don't have batteries for their remotes, so Jake texted me, he's like, hey, can you bring us some batteries? We'll bring them batteries over their dead bodies.
Hello, oh, you have a GoPro on.
Welcome to the neighborhood.
Thank you. Oh, come here. Good to see you guys. Oh, good to see you. Let me hug you. Good to see you. This is the only reason I moved next to you guys, so I could take batteries. Well, thank you. Welcome to the giant empty space that is the Vsauce office.
Have you showed anyone this yet?
No, this is the first. I haven't even shown the Vsauce viewers yet.
You've not even announced that you've moved into an office at all.
No, not yet. So thanks, Corridor Digital, for ruining that for me. There's a lot we gotta do. Basically, this side of the office is gonna be a studio. Oh, I think it's the Time Warner cable man. Hello?
Yeah, that thing's nasty.
He must never know.
No, you're doing perfect. Don't change it. Yeah.
He's just stealing second base. There's no rogue. He's okay, sweet.
So you're gonna shoot all my stuff and then move on to D stuff?
No, we're probably gonna go back and forth.
Back and forth? Cool.
Yeah. We'll get me walking off from there. Let's get a shot through the fence. It's like just a wide angle where you just see me walking off and passing him. And that can be like the bystander angle. Ready? 7,200 on that. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1, action.
But keeping me in total shade like that makes it so intense.
That was not pleasant. Obi, help! Don't just stand there.
Whoa, an infrared.
So we can see right now, your ceiling is 110 degrees.
That is a hot ceiling. This is the coolest thing that I didn't know about, but now I do.
Okay, here's an interesting fact. So right here behind this wall, you can see that there's a pillar behind that wall.
Oh,
And you can even see the studs in the wall.
Yeah.
We're almost at X-ray vision.
That's a misconception. Thermal does not give you X-ray vision.
But I can see studs.
Yes, but that's
It's like
because
I can
there's a
see
temperature
through,
difference.
but I mean, if we're being, really pedantic about it, I feel like that's kind of a little bit of X-ray. I'm seeing through the wall. So I added a bunch of Nerf guns to my Amazon wish list.
Oh my god.
To my office supply wish list. A whole bunch.
I mean, they are tax writable. So.
I think so.
Yeah.
It's like we need them. But I love the reviews that people have on Amazon about them. They're like, oh, this one fires at this R rates per minute. It's like doing all this stuff.
And then you can mod them.
Yeah.
Hey, Wren.
Red, can you Assassin's Creed yourself up the building?
You want me to clap?
That pipe? Yeah, that's
In fact, we challenge you.
I bet you $10 worth of Taco Bell gift cards that you can't make it up there.
Dude, that's such a deal.
That is, do you know, that's like a month's worth of food. Oh god, this is
Keep going. The challenge.
Yeah, you can do it. Look, you got those little things. Oh, look at that.
People in the building are like, what is that?
Well,
I can't get up that final 10%.
I'm disappointed. But you guys, it was good seeing you guys. But I'll see you guys on Monday. Maybe we can get tacos from the taco truck together.
So, just come by anytime.
Is Freddie here?
to the ball, caught it, and they threw it back at me. And I was low, so I tried to catch it. I instinctually put my leg out, and it came short and hit me right above the ankle. It's all right, 'cause it's just a baseball.
You think it's gonna mess up your game?
Nah. Nice. All right, so we're gonna see if Clint's helmet could actually stop a baseball hit. Ready?
Oh! God! Yeah.
Ow, my hand hurts.
Let me see that.
Ow.